Hello everyone, in this video we'll start with the section number 4 in the SDK Magic Tool, how to export data from Excel to Primavera. In the other three sections we learn how to import data from Primavera to Excel in this first section, and the other two sections were one for the S-curves and the other for the database tables, and how you can translate all of these tables. Let us start with this section, the fourth section, how to export data. We will see a group of values to cover all of these items. We have more than 40 items to export from Excel to Primavera. As we know, you can use SDK Magic Tool with Oracle database or SQL server, and you can use it also with SQLite database that we use in this video. All you need is to select the tab of the database that you intend to use with the SDK Magic Tool. Let us start with the OBS. We will start with this item, the OBS. How to add or delete or modify the OBS of the Primavera. First of all, when you export data to Primavera, it's recommended to import the same data from Primavera in order to know the format of the table that you should prepare to export it to Primavera. Let us start with this item from the menu of the dictionary. We will select the OBS and we will import the OBS of the current database. We have only one item in this table, one OBS item. Let us go to the same database in Primavera, and we'll open the enterprise OBS. As you see, we have only one item in the OBS, the same item that we got in the SDK Magic Tool. Let us modify this OBS. If I have prepared the OBS in this diagram, this is the OBS that I intend to export to Primavera. As you see, this is the same format of the table that we have imported from Primavera. We will copy the diagram. This diagram will be prepared as a hierarchy. You have only one item in each row, and all items in the same levels of the OBS will be in one column. As you see, we will start with the main OBS and then all of its children. Let us copy this OBS that we have prepared as hierarchy, and we will paste it here in the same sheet. As you see, we have only one item, and we should keep this number without change because this number is in the database, and all of these new items have no values in the first column, and these values will be set by the SDK Magic Tool. Let us export this diagram to Primavera. Let us select this diagram, this OBS, and from the sub menu we'll select the OBS, and we will export this diagram to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast and accurate to use the SDK Magic Tool to export data to Primavera. Let us import the new OBS after we have modified it. As you see, this is the new OBS in Primavera after this modification. Let us go to Primavera to be sure that we have the same changes. Let us close this old OBS, and first of all we will refresh data to get these updates. Then from enterprise open the OBS. As you see, we have now the new OBS in Primavera. This is the OBS that we have exported to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast and accurate to use the SDK Magic Tool. You can modify any of these names or delete any of them. Let us apply these rules. For example, let us delete this part, the head of middle region. This part will change in to Y, and we will generalize this Y, as you see, and we will delete this part by using the SDK Magic Tool. Now we have 81 items, and after we delete this part, we will have only 55 items. Let us delete these items. We will get a warning message. Let us delete them. As you see, it's very accurate and fast. Now let us import the new OBS after this deletion. Okay. Now we have only 55 items, and if we will go to Primavera, let us start with refresh data to get these updates, and now let us open the OBS. As you see, we have only these items after the deletion of the part that we have removed in Excel. It's very fast and accurate to use the SDK Magic Tool. This was the first video in this group of videos, and the second video will start with EPS. Thank you and goodbye.